Today will mark an eternal moment in your heart, bringing a divine message of unprecedented magnitude. Prepare to embark on an exciting and extraordinary journey that promises to elevate you to levels of growth and success previously unimaginable. It seems that the universe itself is aligned with your desires, conspiring to turn your dearest dreams into reality. The path ahead is bathed in starlight, a luminous reminder that you are deeply loved and deserving of all the care the cosmos can offer. You just need to accept it with an open heart. Type yes, I accept and receive with an open heart to seal this commitment to your destiny. The message your angel brings is as vast and profound as the splendor of a starry night, each star shining with a unique intensity, and the moonlight witnessing the spectacle of pure emotion. This message carries an extraordinary revelation. A person, a true precious gem of destiny, is deeply interested in sharing the rest of their life with you. This transcends any simple declaration of affection. It is a sincere and genuine invitation to a life together, filled with commitment and eternal love. He not only wishes to be by your side as a fleeting presence, but is committed to offering you all the love you have always desired and dreamed of, promising a commitment that is both lasting and indestructible. His passion for you is not expressed in ordinary words. It burns intensely, a living flame that ignites hearts and lights the way ahead with the promise of an eternal love. Now before you lies a matter of immeasurable importance, a decision that could define the course of your future. How will you choose between beginning this relationship and embarking on this beautiful love story that promises to so fully complete the puzzle of your life? This is not just a choice between two options. It is an opportunity to complete your existence in a way you never imagined possible, restarting your life alongside the right person, uniting your destinies in a way that will be remembered forever. This decision transcends the ordinary, offering the chance to shape a shared future with someone who brings new colors and meanings to your life. It is a choice that appears as a gateway to a new beginning, where each moment shared has the potential to become a treasure of precious memories. The promise of a life together is not just about sharing days, but about weaving together the dreams and aspirations that each of you carries. Here you face the possibility of true love, the kind of love that stories are made of, where the profound meeting of souls can transform a mundane existence into an epic of joy and companionship. This is the kind of love that promises not just company, but a partnership deeply rooted in mutual respect, admiration, and unconditional support through life's ups and downs. At this critical crossroads, you have the power to choose a path that could potentially fill all emotional voids, complement your flaws, and celebrate your strengths in a way that only true love can. The decision to commit to this relationship is, therefore, not just a matter of choice but of introspection and recognition of the value this union can bring to your life. The opportunity to unite destinies is rare and precious, and choosing to embark on this journey together is deciding to create a story that both of you will share with others, marked by chapters of growth, challenges overcome, and shared happiness. This choice has the potential to completely transform your worldview and your life, providing a new perspective that is only possible through intimate and total sharing with another person. When pondering this monumental decision, it is crucial to consider not only the immediate impact but also the long-term implications of such a union. Ask yourself if this person has the qualities necessary to be not just a lover, but a true life companion. Reflect on whether your values, goals, and dreams align in such a way that together you can build a solid and rewarding future. As you stand before this fundamental choice, remember that the path you choose now may define the quality and direction of your life in the coming years. Choosing wisely means recognizing and seizing the chance of a life transformed by the magic of a genuine and deep commitment. It is a decision that deserves all your attention, reflection, and heart, for what is at stake is the possibility of living a love that not only lasts but flourishes and enriches everything around you. This choice before you is not just significant, it is one of the most crucial decisions you will face in your entire existence. More than a superficial reflection, it requires profound introspection, a dive into the deepest recesses of your soul, as if you were trying to decipher the most complex enigmas of the universe. He who has expressed a sincere desire to intertwine his life with yours is ready to walk by your side, committed to being the guiding star that illuminates your path in this incredible journey called life. Therefore, this is not just a choice between two options. It is an opportunity to complete your existence in a way you never imagined possible, restarting your life alongside the right person, uniting your destinies in a way that will be remembered forever. When faced with the duality of choosing between two paths, each carrying its own promises and challenges, you encounter a situation that has the potential to completely transform your existence. This choice involves not only personal considerations but also the weight of mutual commitments, as both express a deep desire to share eternity side by side. The anxiety and anguish that accompany a decision as significant as this can be overwhelming, invading your heart like turbulent waves in a stormy sea. These feelings can become oppressive, pressing you from all sides as you ponder the way forward. However, it is crucial to keep in mind that you are not responsible for the other person's feelings. It is an important reminder that should resonate deeply within you. You should not force yourself to love someone simply because that person manifests a deep desire for you. In truth, the most important thing at this critical crossroads of your life is to make a choice that truly leads to your own happiness and well-being. This requires deep introspection, a moment to be honest with yourself, evaluating not only what you feel but what you really want for your future. At this crucial moment, you are called to dive without fear or hesitation into the depths of your own feelings, exploring the core of your emotions to discover what genuinely resonates with your being. You have the absolute freedom to make this choice, a freedom that is both empowering and intimidating. Deciding on what seems best for you may feel like a solitary task, but it is undoubtedly the path to an authentic and fulfilled life. This is the time to listen not only to what others say but to what your own inner voice is trying to communicate. It is an opportunity to reflect on your priorities, desires, and dreams. Remember that love transcends the mere sphere of feelings. It is a conscious choice, powerful enough to shape the destiny of all involved. Therefore, it is essential that decisions related to the heart are made with deep awareness and responsibility. In the search for a partner, it is not enough just to feel. You need to choose someone with whom your heart resonates with joy, someone with whom you see yourself not only sharing the present moments but building and living a future full of shared dreams and achievements. Beyond physical attraction, which undoubtedly plays an important role in the initiation of many relationships, it is crucial to consider the emotional compatibility and shared values between you. After all, as the proverb says, can two walk together unless they are agreed? The answer is clearly no. Alignment in fundamental beliefs and values is crucial to ensure that both walk in the same direction, harmoniously, without internal conflicts that could shake the relationship. This understanding is fundamental because true love is built on a foundation of mutual respect, admiration, and support. Finding someone who resonates with your deepest values and shares your dreams and aspirations is not only gratifying but essential for a lasting and meaningful relationship. It is the compatibility of character and convictions that sustains the relationship in challenging moments and strengthens the bond in times of joy. Trust is undoubtedly the foundation on which any lasting and solid relationship is built. Choosing a partner in whom you can place full trust, both emotionally and in life, is essential to avoid future disappointments. Understand that the deep love someone may feel for you, no matter how intense and true, is not automatically a guarantee that this person is the right choice to share your destiny. Loving someone does not necessarily mean you should accept them as a partner for life. Relationships that are truly lasting and meaningful go beyond mere passion. They are built on a solid foundation of common goals, shared visions of the future, and aligned values that strengthen the union, ensuring it can thrive over time. A true life partner, your soulmate, should be someone who not only complements your personality but also deeply understands your aspirations and most intimate desires. More than that, this person should be a constant encouragement for your personal development, gently pushing you toward your best possibilities and helping you overcome the challenges that life inevitably presents. This partnership should be a source of mutual inspiration, where both partners encourage each other to evolve and grow together. At this decisive moment, which may feel like a true emotional storm, opening your heart and engaging in an honest and sincere conversation with him is more than necessary. It is essential. Be absolutely honest and direct in your words, even knowing that the outcome of this conversation may not perfectly align with your initial expectations. The decision to choose one partner over another, in a sea of possibilities, should be guided not only by reason but mainly by your intuition and the deepest instincts that shape your feelings and perceptions. This choice often goes beyond the purely rational, touching on aspects that logic alone cannot fully encompass. It is crucial to listen carefully to the call of the heart, the deep impulse that inexplicably connects you to someone in a way that transcends common understanding. Opting for a person with whom you feel this deep connection, a connection that seems to defy simple explanations and enters the realm of the deeply personal and meaningful, is a vital step. Remember, the decision you are about to make is not just for a brief moment, but rather a choice that will influence and accompany you for the rest of your life. The right choice in a partner can transform your life in extraordinary ways. He will not only love you with a deep and true love, but also care for you with unwavering dedication. In the most challenging moments, he will be your rock, offering support and understanding, and in times of joy, he will be by your side to celebrate every achievement, big or small. With him, you will feel deeply valued and loved, a feeling that transcends words and permeates every aspect of your life. His support will be fundamental for you to pursue and achieve all your dreams and goals, providing you with the emotional security to take risks and the strength to persist. The ideal partner is someone with whom you can be completely yourself, without the need to hide any part of who you are or mask your true essence. With him, you can freely share your boldest dreams, your highest hopes, and even your deepest fears, without fear of being judged or misunderstood. This transparency creates an environment of trust and complicity, essential for any lasting relationship. This mutual authenticity strengthens the foundations of your relationship in a significant way, making it robust in the face of challenges that will inevitably arise throughout life. With a partner who truly understands and supports you, it is possible to face any adversity because you know you are not alone. Together, you can weather storms and emerge stronger than before. The ideal relationship, therefore, is not just a matter of superficial compatibility or momentary attraction, but a deep connection that fosters personal and mutual growth. The right partner encourages you to develop in all areas of life, celebrating every little success and offering comfort and motivation in every obstacle. A life shared with such a partner is not only easier but also richer and more rewarding. Thus, in making this significant choice, consider not only what your heart feels but also what your mind knows is healthy and sustainable in the long term. Choosing a partner is not just deciding who you want to be with now, but also who you want to grow old with. The right partner for you will be someone who not only shares your joys and sorrows, but also aspires to build a future together, supporting each other every step of the way. So when considering this vital decision, think about the type of partnership that will enrich your life, provide mutual growth, and offer a solid foundation of love, respect, and understanding. This is the kind of relationship that not only survives the test of time but flourishes over the years, making every challenge easier to face and every victory sweeter to celebrate. Therefore, in this transcendental moment of your life, it is essential that you claim this choice with all your conviction and determination. Allow your spirit to absorb these words deeply, letting them resonate in every fiber of your being. Feel the depth and sincerity of these words, and recognize how they align with the universe's desire for you. The universe, in its infinite wisdom and compassion, wishes only the best for you and is conspiring to ensure a positive outcome, regardless of the decisions you make. Type "I accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and receive the blessings that are being generously poured upon you. By doing so, you not only accept the wonders that destiny has in store for you, but also open yourself to receive the abundance the universe is eager to provide. Let us together spread positivity and kindness, creating waves of good energy that reverberate through our lives and the lives of those around us. Did you know that it is possible to have a vision of your soulmate, that person who is or will be a divine complement to your life? It could be someone you already know or someone destined to cross your path in the future. Click the link in the description to obtain a portrait of this soulmate, an image that can inspire and rekindle the flame of hope and expectation in your heart. Let us elevate each other and create waves of good energy together. Be truly attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate each of your steps with peace, love, and deep faith. Amen.